Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best Christmas crafts kit for kids this holiday season. The Christmas Ornaments Art and Crafts Kit by GuassLee. If you're looking for a fun, festive, and creative way to get your children involved in the holiday spirit, this 28-piece DIY ornament set is exactly what you need. Let's start with what's inside the package. You're getting 28 cutouts, each crafted with adorable gingerbread-themed designs. They come in various sizes, none larger than 5.2 by 4.7 inches, with most averaging around 3.9 by 3.15 inches. These cutouts are matched with an equal number of Christmas-themed stickers, candy canes, gingerbread men, festive houses, and more. The kit even includes golden ribbons, so once your little ones are done decorating, they can proudly hang their creations on the tree or around the home. Now, let's talk about quality. The cutouts are made from high-quality paper cardboard, lightweight for easy hanging but durable enough to survive enthusiastic decorating. The stickers have a smooth plastic film coating, which makes them easy to peel and reposition. What's great is that they don't leave any sticky residue, so the process is clean and kid-friendly. One of the highlights of this kit is how easy it is to use. There's no glue, no mess, and no complicated instructions. Just peel the stickers and press them onto the cutouts. It's a perfect opportunity for children to build their creativity, improve their fine motor skills, and experience the joy of making something themselves. It's a hands-on activity that feels more like festive fun than crafting work. In terms of use, the possibilities are endless. These ornaments aren't just for Christmas trees. They can go on walls, windows, doors, or even be used as gift tags or birthday card decorations. From a parent's perspective, this kit is a lifesaver during the busy holiday season. It keeps the kids engaged, away from screens, and involved in holiday preparations. Whether you're planning a cozy family crafting evening or looking for a unique gift for your child's classmates, this set covers it all. To sum it up, the GuassLee Christmas Crafts Kit is more than just a product. It's a festive experience packed into a fun, creative, and high-quality package. It brings together learning, bonding, and decorating in a way that feels joyful and effortless. If you're ready to make this Christmas more magical and memorable, this kit is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and recommendations to make your shopping easier. See you in the next video.